how to slow down any 3D animations in iClone 8. You can see now CC4 Camilla is dancing just by using the air dance as the motion file. Now, she already performed the air dance with a normal speed. How to make it slow? To make it slow, what you need to do is just make sure you select the 3D avatar that you want to change the playing speed. Just go to the timeline. And here you can see the air dance is played with 100% speed. If you want to make it slow, just right click and then set the speed. The speed is 100%. You can just make it slow by decrease it. For example, make it become 50%, apply it. Now, just try again to play the whole animations. You can see now the speeds already become really slow. It will become a half speed. So now what about if you right click and set the speed again, make it become 25. It is 4 times slower than the original. Just have a look. Try to apply and try to play again. Now you can see this is really a slow motion. And now everything already set to slower speed. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to set your animation speeds in iClone 8 to make it become really slow. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. In this channel, it's all about the 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing tutorials. If you are interested, please subscribe and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!